Hey guys, so today I want to do a little bit of an unboxing video. This here is the Rode NT2-A multi-pattern studio condenser microphone, and I got mine at B&H in a bundle pack. It was this unit right here, just the microphone by itself, is retailed at $3.99. I paid a bit more over at B&H, but at B&H it came with a reflection filter, a stand for the microphone and reflection filter, and a clamp for the headphones and everything, and I paid a bit more. So this microphone was actually sold out absolutely everywhere except for in the bundle pack over at B&H. So if you guys are ever looking for a microphone like this, you know, just make sure you check out B&H. They helped me out in a pinch when I really wanted to get this bad boy. So this microphone itself actually comes with a shock mount detachable pop filter, an XLR cable, and it comes with a dust cover as well. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy and check it out. Okay, it's got like this little protective cover for the actual box. Set that aside. Okay, just pop this open here. Oh, if you register, you get a 10-year warranty. I suggest that you guys do that. I definitely will be doing that. Little spacers right here to take up the extra space. Looks like we have a sticker. I love Rode microphones. Not sure what this is. Some type of literature. It looks like this right here is the instructions, a little manual. Okay. And right here, what do we have here? This is the shock mount with the pop filter. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Okay. As you guys can see right there, there's that famous Rode logo, the pop filter. Let's see if we can get this open. Okay, it's pretty nice. And right here is our shock mount. So the microphone's just gonna sit right in there. That's pretty cool. Okay, right here's the microphone, and then we have the cable. We've all definitely seen the cable before, but let's check this bad boy out right here. Let's get this box open. There's that Rode dust cover right there. It's pretty nice. Nice and packed. And dun dun dun. Ladies and gentlemen, there she is. Rode microphone. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy set up. I'll be right back. And guys,